Students, myself Sarita, biology lecturer, Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Jandiala. Today we will discuss coronavirus. So first of all, what is coronavirus? According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, coronavirus is a large family of viruses which may cause illness in animals or humans. So, in humans, several coronaviruses means a family of coronaviruses. They cause respiratory infections from cold to severe diseases. The severe diseases are like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, known as MERS, or severe acute respiratory syndrome, known as SARS. So, in both these cases, there is infection of the respiratory system, and related to respiration, there may be problems of breathing. So, what is COVID 19? So, COVID 19, here CO stands for corona, VI for virus, and D for disease, and 2019, a year in which this disease came out. So, is COVID 19 is infectious disease because it spreads from one person to another by most recently discovered coronavirus. So, this virus has a shape of that of crown. That's why the name is corona. This new virus and the disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan province in China in December 2019. Now, how does this COVID 19 spread? So, it spreads from others who have this virus, who are infected with the virus. So, the disease can spread from person to person through small droplets when they come out from the nose or mouth of the infected person, and it spreads when a person with COVID 19 coughs or exhales. So, when the person who is suffering from COVID 19 has the virus inside its body, that person coughs or exhales, the droplets comes out from their mouth or nose, and it infects the healthy person. So these droplets land on the objects and surfaces around the person also. So other people then catch COVID 19 by touching these objects or surfaces. So when touching the eye, nose or mouth, the virus enters the healthy person. People can also catch COVID 19 if they breathe in the droplets from the person with COVID 19 who coughs out or exhales droplets. So that's why it is said that the distance between the two persons should be more than 1 meter, that is 3 feet, away from the person who is sick. In most severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, or GIT symptoms, that is gastrointestinal tract, related to the digestive system or digestive system. So it may also cause kidney failure in severe case. Some people become infected but don't develop any symptoms, but they have the virus inside their body and they don't even feel unwell. They are as normal as others. So most people, about 80%, they recover from the disease without any treatment. Around 1 out of every 6 people who get COVID 19, they become seriously ill and they develop difficulty in breathing. So, older people, children, and immunocompromised people, and those who are under medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problems, or diabetes, they are more likely to develop serious illness because they have weak immunity. So, how can we protect ourselves or take self care? So, rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of liquids, then take hot showers to help ease. Oh, and yeah, also gargle with warm water to keep throat to prevent sore throat and cough. So, what are the preventive measures? So, regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with alcohol based hand rub or wash them with soap and water for 20 seconds. Avoid large crowds. Don't shake hands. Stay home. Cover your mouth, nose with the disposable tissue. Use face mask. Also use elbow when you cough or sneeze so that the droplets they don't reach the other person. Thank you.